Hello everyone. We're going to try to take a video outside on this beautiful day. It's a little bit windy, but I think it's worth trying. We're going to see if we can get a picture of this tree up here. Isn't that pretty? Now hopefully we can get some nice video of it. We'll find out. We're going to see if we can get some video and pictures of this beautiful tree back here over my shoulder. And hopefully that'll work out okay, and we'll be able to get some good pictures. So we're going to try that. We're using the little DJI Neo, which is brand new. It's only been out a couple months. So we're going to see how it does. So let's go take pictures of this tree. Come on, let's go. So yeah, you can see the breeze pushing the leaves around a little bit. And yeah, definitely that's picking up every once in a while. Maybe you can see the leaves moving around. So there's a little bit of a breeze. Right now it's not so bad, but it has been something else. It's been a tremendous breeze a couple of times. I thought the drone was going to fly away, but it danced around in the wind, but it held up, and it did a remarkably good job of hanging in there.